What if I told you that you can get a phone with a stunning 120Hz Pro XDR display, a flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a 50MP Sony IMX890 camera, and a massive 5,500 mAh battery, all for just $499? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the OnePlus 12R offers. And in this video, I'm going to give you a full review of this amazing value flagship phone. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest gadget reviews. Now, let's dive in. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly unbox the OnePlus 12R and see what's inside. You get the phone itself, of course, along with a 80-watt SuperVOOC charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, some stickers, a quick start guide, and a clear case. Unfortunately, there are no earphones or a screen protector included, but that's not a deal breaker for me. The first thing that strikes me about the OnePlus 12R is how premium it feels in the hand. It has a sleek and elegant design, with a matte aluminum frame and a glass back that reflects light beautifully. The phone comes in two color options, cool blue and iron gray. I personally prefer the cool blue, as it has a more eye-catching and unique look. The phone is also quite comfortable to hold, despite its large 6.78-inch display. It weighs 207 grams and measures 8.8 millimeter in thickness, which is not too heavy or bulky for a phone of this size. The display is undoubtedly one of the main highlights of the OnePlus 12R. It's a 6.78-inch AMOLED Pro XDR panel with a resolution of 2780 into 1264 pixels and a 19.8 to 9 aspect ratio. It supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and 10-bit color depth, which means it can deliver stunning colors, contrast, and brightness. But the most impressive feature of the display is the 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look super smooth and fluid. The display also uses the 4th generation LTPO technology, which allows it to dynamically adjust the refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, depending on the content. This helps save battery life and reduce eye strain. The display also has a feature called AquaTouch, which improves the touch response and accuracy, especially in wet conditions. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is the latest and strongest glass from Corning. The OnePlus 12R is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is the same processor that powers the OnePlus 12 and many other flagship phones from 2023. It's a 5nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 3.0 GHz and an Adreno 740 GPU. It also has a dedicated AI engine that can handle up to 26 trillion operations per second. The OnePlus 12R comes with either 8 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The performance of the OnePlus 12R is simply outstanding. It can handle any task or game you throw at it with ease and without any lag or stutter. It also stays cool and quiet, thanks to the dual cryovelocity VC cooling system that dissipates heat efficiently. The OnePlus 12R also supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and eSIM, so you can enjoy fast and reliable connectivity. The OnePlus 12R has a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The main camera has a huge Sony IMX890 sensor, which delivers amazing photos and videos in any light. The ultra-wide camera has a 112-degree field of view, which captures stunning shots of wide scenes. The macro camera has a 4cm shooting distance, which lets you get close to small objects. The OnePlus 12R can also record 4K videos at 60 FPS and has features like Ultra Steady Mode, Dual View Video, and Video Editor. The front camera is a 16MP shooter, which takes nice selfies and video calls with bokeh effect. The OnePlus 12R has a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which is the largest battery ever seen in a OnePlus phone. It can easily last for a full day or even 2 days of moderate to heavy usage, depending on your settings and usage patterns. It also supports 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, which can charge the phone from 0% to 100% in just 35 minutes. That's incredibly fast and convenient, especially if you're in a hurry. The only downside is that the OnePlus 12R does not support wireless charging, which is a feature that many flagship phones offer nowadays. But considering the price and the battery life of the OnePlus 12R, I think that's a minor compromise. The OnePlus 12R runs on Oxygen OS 14, which is based on Android 14. Oxygen OS is one of the best Android skins out there, as it offers a clean, smooth, and customizable user interface. It also has many useful features and optimizations, such as the Trinity engine, which ensures that the phone's performance does not degrade over time. It also has features like Zen mode, work-life balance, game space, dark mode, screen color pro mode, and more. The OnePlus 12R also supports the always-on display, which can show you the time, date, notifications, and other information without waking up the phone. You can also customize the AOD with different styles, colors, and widgets. The OnePlus 12R also has a fast and reliable in-display fingerprint scanner, as well as Face Unlock, which can unlock the phone in a split second. The OnePlus 12R is a terrific value flagship phone, offering solid upgrades in almost every aspect compared to the OnePlus 11R. You get a brighter display, better battery life, faster performance, and a sleeker design. The only area where the OnePlus 12R falls short is the camera, which is not very versatile or impressive compared to some of the competition. But if you're looking for a phone that can deliver a smooth and satisfying user experience without breaking the bank, the OnePlus 12R is a great choice. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more latest phone release updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.